Hello students, how are you? Welcome to my channel Pooja Mathematics Academy. Today I will discuss about the basic concept of probability. So at first we have to know about the random experiment. So what is random experiment? An experiment is said to be random experiment if there are more than one possible outcomes and it is impossible to predict the outcome in advance. So in random experiment we can get more than one possible outcomes, but we cannot predict the outcome in advance. So what is outcome? All possible results of an experiment are called its outcome. For example, let us take the case of tossing a coin. So, for example, let us take the case of tossing a coin. Clear? We know that there are two possible outcomes, head and tail. So head and tail, two outcomes, right? But it is impossible to predict if the outcome of a toss will be head or tail. Clear? So it is impossible to predict if the results of a toss will be head or tail, right? So then I will discuss about the events. So what is the definition of events, or what is event? The results or outcomes of a random experiment. The results or outcomes of a random experiment will be called events connected with the experiment. So the result or outcomes of a random experiment will be called events connected with the experiment. Clear? Then events which cannot be further decomposed are called simple events. We get two events, simple events and compound events. Events which cannot be further decomposed. So what is simple events? Events which cannot be further decomposed are called simple events. And compound events are those which can be decomposed into simple events. So what is compound event? compound events are those which can be decomposed into simple events. Clear? To understand this, consider the experiment of rolling a die. 1, 2 up to 6 are certainly events connected with the experiment. Clear? So, we consider the experiment of rolling a die. Here 1, 2 up to 6 are the events which cannot be decomposed. So these are simple events. Clear? But the result 6 can be described under a different title. The result 6 can be described under a different title. Number 1, event phase, and number 2, multiple of 3. Correct? So the event phase not only occurs when the result is 6, but also occurs when the result is 2 or 4. Clear? Again, the result or the event multiple of 3 can be decomposed into the events 3 and 6. Clear? So these two events are compound events. So no more today. I will discuss about next concept of this chapter in the next video. And don't forget to do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.